Hey everyone, the HiFiMAN HE1000 Unveiled headphones are a testament to state-of-the-art audio engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with a minimalist yet functional appearance. These open-back headphones, equipped with magnetic planar driver technology and an innovative appearance that reduces sound reflection, are crafted for audiophiles seeking the ultimate immersive experience. One of the standout features of the HE1000 headphones is their magnetic planar driver with a nanometer thickness diaphragm. This delicate ultra-thin diaphragm delivers a highly detailed soundstage, offering fast response times and a true-to-life sound signature. Audiophiles will appreciate how this translates into a detailed, precise audio experience that captures the nuances of music, making it feel vibrant and dynamic. HiFiMAN has implemented an asymmetrical magnetic circuit appearance to reduce distortion and interference. By refining the magnetic fields around the diaphragm, the HE1000 Unveiled offers a clearer and more focused sound, elevating the listening experience by minimizing any muddiness in the mid and low frequencies. This feature makes the headphones ideal for critical listening, especially when paired with high-quality lossless audio sources. The most intriguing aspect of these headphones is their unveiled appearance. HiFiMAN has taken a unique approach by removing the rear panel, referred to as the magnetic veil, to allow the diaphragm to move more freely. This significantly reduces sound reflections and unwanted resonance, resulting in a wider soundstage and a cleaner, more detailed output. This level of clarity and openness is perfect for listeners who prefer a natural, live performance-like experience, as it enhances spatial perception and depth. The HiFiMAN HE1000 Unveiled headphones come with detachable cables, including options for 3.5mm, 6.35mm, and a balanced 4-pin XLR connection. This versatility ensures that the headphones are compatible with a wide range of audio equipment, from portable devices to high-end amplifiers. Whether you're using them for casual listening or paired with a professional-grade DAC, these headphones offer flexibility across various audio setups. The open-back ear cups of the HE1000 Unveiled contribute significantly to the headphones' realistic sound reproduction. This appearance helps create a more expansive soundstage, mimicking the experience of attending a live concert. Audiophiles who enjoy spatial audio effects will find this particularly appealing, as the open-back appearance enhances the sense of immersion, making the listener feel like they are right in the middle of the action. Available for $3,399 on GeekWills, the HiFiMAN HE1000 Unveiled headphones cater to a premium market. While the price tag places them in the high-end audio category, the value they offer in terms of build quality, sound fidelity, and innovative appearance justifies the investment. These headphones bring high-performance audio within reach for serious audiophiles looking to upgrade their listening experience. The HiFiMAN HE1000 Unveiled headphones represent a masterclass in audio technology. From the magnetic planar drivers and nanometer thickness diaphragm to the groundbreaking unveiled appearance, these headphones are engineered to deliver an unparalleled listening experience. With their open-back appearance, versatile connection options, and the precision of the asymmetrical magnetic circuit, they are poised to become a favorite among discerning audiophiles. For those seeking rich, detailed sound and an expansive soundstage, the HiFiMAN HE1000 Unveiled headphones are a compelling choice. They not only deliver superior audio performance, but also push the boundaries of headphone appearance, setting a new standard for immersive, high-fidelity listening. Thanks for watching. What do you think about these headphones? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.